Google Keyword Planner. As I have a separate video on a complete tutorial of Google Keyword Planner, if you haven't seen that video, then you will find the link to this complete SEO course in the description box below. Just go and watch. In today's video, we will explore some hidden and advanced tricks to do keyword research through Google Keyword Planner. Right, let's get into it. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Just simply go to Google Keyword Planner. This is the website. Go to Keyword Planner. You will face this interface. If you haven't faced this interface, just go to Tools, Keyword Planner. Discover new keywords. Here you can put up to 10 keywords, but I'll suggest just keep 1 or 2 keywords for better, clear and organized understanding. My keywords are SEO in Pakistan and search engine optimization. Get results. Here are my results. You can see I have 1194 keyword ideas for me. If I selected my specific location and if someone is typing in the word that I want SEO services in Pakistan, then automatically Google will search my country or location. Then there is no need to be specific for a country or location. I'll keep it as all over the world or all locations. You can change your language from here. You can change your search engines from here like Google, or if you want to add some other search partners. You can change your date here. You can see last month's data, last 24 months data, but I'll suggest just keep last 12 months data. This is the accurate and good for you. You can add some columns here. You can exclude some columns here as per your wish. Next is you can add some filter here. As I added exclude adult ideas, I will add another filter. If your website is new, then just keep low and medium keywords for you, because high competition keywords are required 1 year to rank. Here are my refined sheet. I will download as CSV file because this is an offline file and will be in Excel. Google Sheets will be an online file for me. Download, and this is my sheet. This is my sheet. I will just adjust it a little bit more. If you want to delete any column or row, just click on this arrow, click on the column, right click, then delete. You can see entire column is deleted. Same process again. I will delete currency here too. Click on the arrow like this, click on column, right click, delete, and the column will be deleted. I will add some filters here too. Go to filters, filter, click on filter. I will add the filter in my keywords from A to Z, sort A to Z. I will add filter in monthly search volume from largest to smallest, and 3 months change or Y to Y change I will exclude minus figures or blank figures. I will just keep plus figures for me. Next, competition, as we already selected the competition as low and medium. And next is competition index value. And if I scroll down the window, I will find the keywords or monthly searches above or up to 50. This is very low monthly search volume. I will just delete it. Just click on the column, drag it like this, and again drag it like this, and right click, clear content, and all the content columns and rows will be deleted for you. Now here I will face a refined sheet for me. What are the monthly searches? What are 3 months change, year to year change, competition or competition index value? You will find all the information in my next and other video which I already uploaded. Just go and watch. So these were some additional tricks to do keyword research through Google Keyword Planner. Just apply these tricks and make your day. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Just go, just do practice, because practice makes a man, and fulfill your dreams. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.